received dash for oral production. My name is Dania Jeanette Ruiz Bayares. Today we are going to prepare a delicious homemade orange cake. Ingredients: 3 eggs, 1 spoon of sugar, 100 grams of the butter, mm, 1 glass of hard orange juice, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 small of vanilla essence. Step by step process. 1. Bake a egg. Step 2. And flour, baking powder and sugar. Step 3. Add the orange juice. Step 4. Beat on our ingredients are integral. Step 5. Then the mold is greased. Step 6. Pour the mix and the tea in the oven. Step 8. Finally to enjoy with rich coffee or chocolate. Question: how many glasses of orange juice of Adelaide to mix? I glass in or half orange juice. How many eggs did I use for the recipe? I add the 3 eggs to mix with the flour.